Hi guys, so in today's episode, we will disable this built-in projects in Divi. So how we can do that? Actually, I have a mistakes in here because I created a custom post type in Divi layout. So the good thing was actually to just overwrite the projects and name it with Divi layouts instead of just creating a new one. But I already have some elements in here, so I'm not so sure if I can still overwrite this one. But yeah, I'll just give you like a quick tutorial on how you can disable that one, and we will also tackle how you can overwrite the slug. So by default, it is, if you go in here, by default, the slug name is called project. So there are two ways for us to change the name or the labels or the slugs or the arrays of our projects in Divi. It can be done via functions.php and I think in phpMyAdmin as well. But yeah, first is we will try to disable this projects section. So to do that, go to the appearance and then theme editor. By the way, you need to have a child theme on this, because if you don't have a child theme, your changes will be vanished if you update your parent theme, which is Divi. So I highly recommend that you have a child theme. Now go to the functions.php. Once you already have a child theme, go to the functions.php and we'll try to target the name that is tied up to the project section. So first is I'm going to create a function, okay, and then I'll call it BookwormHead or remove projects. So this can be whatever name you want, so it doesn't really matter. Close and open. Okay, now I will add a okay, let me just add an array in here. So let's call it display disabled project or disprob, it whatever name you want. Then we will return an array merge, and then let's target this array, and then okay, and okay, and then so we already have this function, we already have this basic function. Now we will add all the labels in here, so the corresponding labels. So first is I want to exclude it from search. So false, and then if you just want to like that, like you don't want to, if you just want to keep the projects there, but you don't want this to be indexed in search engine, so you can just do this part. Okay, now but if you want to entirely, okay, after that, let's say for example you just, okay, my mistake, so array, it should be an array there. So let's say you're already good in that, you can add a filter, add filter, and then we will.
By the way, if you find my video helpful, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button and that like, thumbs up, and the bell notification if you want to receive new videos from me.
Okay, let's just put it there as an empty string, and then we will target the project built in ET, and the name is et underscore project underscore post type underscore args. Okay, so if you just want to exclude it in the search field, you want it to be private, then exclude from search, and then you set it to false. Now, if you want it to be, you also need to put a public. If you want it to be in public, I mean, it is public in your website, so false. But if you just want to exclude it in search engine and you still want the projects to be enabled, then just set that to true, or just don't add this code in here. Now we will add another, because our purpose is we want to disable this one, so we want it to be, if you, we want to disable it in navigation menus. Okay, and you want to be show in user interface, false. And let's try to update. Okay, and now let's refresh our website, and you'll see that the projects is gone. So we disabled the projects section. So what if you just want to rename your projects? So the functions or the code is just similar, but we are calling different name, which is the overwrite. So let's try to add BookwormHead, so WPH, and then rename proj, and then another functions in here, closing and open. So this is like the syntax when you are creating a functions on your functions.php. Now I will add another argument in here. Let's call it again rename proj, probably. Let's just call it rename proj, and I'll put it in here. Now the rename proj has a corresponding array, which is the slug. Okay, now I will add a slug in here, and this one is the syntax when you are creating a when you are listing a post elements in your custom post type. So slug, and then I'll call it my my books or whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. And then let's return, we need to return this variable. So return the variable, and then that one. So we need to return this. So we need to return this. Okay, now after that, the last but not least is we need to add a filter, so our functions will work. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this up to our add filter, and then this one should be the name of the projects in ET, and it's called ET underscore project underscore post type underscore rewrite underscore args or argument. Now we already have that, and I'm gonna update this one, and then let's go back into our projects area, and then let's see if there's a changes on the slug. So as you can see here, the slug is already changed from projects to my books. And if you want to add another array in here, you can look for the documentation in the developer.wordpress/reference/function/register underscore post type here. So we have a lot of array that you can also overwrite. So the name, singular, the menu, the public, whatever you want. So even the menu icon, you can also do that. I'll try to create, I will not cover that on this video, but I'll try to include that on my blog version, so make sure you check that out. So, because normally if I miss something in my videos, I always put it on my blog version. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully this has been helpful. Feel free to subscribe, click that bell notification, and thumbs up if you want to see more videos related to WordPress theme customization and a lot more. Have a great day.